Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to focus on our eyes. We are going to make a remedy that will help you to clear under eye circles, eye bags, puffy eyes, and also help to get rid of the wrinkles under the eyes. Now when it comes on to dark under eye circles, there's so many people that struggle with this. However, there are many natural remedies that you can use, and I have a very effective one. How do I know that this is effective? Because this is what I use under my eyes. I struggle with dark under eye circles for years and years and nothing changed until I start making my own remedies. So today I decided to share so that you can use it on your under eyes and hopefully reap the best result. What are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you. Simple recipe using simple oils. Now guys, if you do not have all the oils that I use in this recipe, you can choose to substitute. What you're looking for is oils that are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. So before I jump in the kitchen, if this is your first time watching our channel and you have not yet subscribed, we have an host of amazing videos on this channel that you can watch. Whether you're looking to reduce wrinkles on your face, your neck, your décolleté, whether you're looking to get rid of belly fat, whether you are looking for just healthy, natural, glowing skin, or you're looking to get yourself in the habit of following a skincare routine, it's all on this channel. Just click on my face below. It will take you to the channel page. On the channel page, you're going to find the videos. You're also going to find some playlists. So with that out, oh, and if you have not yet subscribed, do not leave without subscribing. So hit that subscribe button below. And now let's go make the remedy. We're going to use some petroleum jelly. And petroleum jelly help to moisturize and lock that moisture in the skin. Help to hydrate the skin. Keep the skin soft and supple. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the petroleum jelly. You can choose to double up on the ingredient if you want to make more. So what we're going to do with the petroleum jelly, we are actually going to just warm it in the bowl by mixing. I like to press on it to start with. And then I take my spoon and I just start to stir it in the bowl. It's going to get white and creamy. And this is how you want it to be. So mix and mix well. Once that is done, we're going to reach for our next oil. And this is some flaxseed oil. Help to get rid of wrinkles. Help to hydrate the skin. Help to get rid of dry skin. Also help to get rid of dark under eye circles. Rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the flaxseed oil. Pour this in. And next, I'm going to mix the flaxseed oil with the petroleum jelly. Slowly work this in. So mix and mix well. Make sure to completely dissolve the petroleum jelly in the flaxseed oil. Next, I'm going to reach for some sesame seed oil. And sesame seed oil have anti-aging properties. Unroasted sesame seed oil, good for reducing wrinkles, pigmentation on the skin, and help the skin to stay hydrated. I'm using a teaspoon of the sesame seed oil. Pour this in, and now I'm going to mix, and I'm going to mix well. We're mixing petroleum jelly, flaxseed oil, and sesame seed oil. Next, I'm going to reach for some cacao oil, and you can choose to use either cacao oil or rosehip oil for this recipe. I'm going to be using both, so about a half a teaspoon of cacao oil and a half a teaspoon of rosehip oil. Pour this in. And now we are going to totally blend all the oils together. Mixing petroleum jelly, flaxseed, sesame, cacao, and some rosehip oil. And this is what's going to make our under eye treatment. This is great for wrinkles and fine lines under the eyes and also the crow's feet. It is good for puffy eyes and eye bags. It's also going to help to clear dark under eye circles. Now, once all the oils have been blended together, we are going to set this aside to infuse. Once it is infused, which is going to be a couple of hours, then it is good to use under your eyes. Now, what makes this a very powerful remedy is all the natural oils that we're using in this, which is rich in all the natural antioxidants. That is great for your under eyes. These are the vitamins A and the vitamin B, C, E, and even some omega-3 fatty acid. These vitamins not only gonna clear the dark under eye circles, but they're gonna nourish and protect the skin and help your skin to look younger and healthier. So definitely a must. Now, after this has been infused, we're gonna use it under the eyes, and you're just gonna take a small amount on your hands and your fingers, and you're just gonna dab it under your eyes. Dabba 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 under the eyes. You can take it up above the eyes also, and take a look under my under eyes. A couple weeks ago, this was not looking like this. This remedy is actually a very fast, effective remedy that you can use. Use it under your under eyes at night, dab it on, rinse in the morning, and continue to use it until you see clear, bright under eyes. And not only that, the wrinkles and the fine lines are gone, leaving your under eyes looking all smooth. You have it. And dark under eye circle, eye bags, puffy eyes, wrinkle under the eyes remedy. This remedy is good for most skin type, so I'm asking you to whip it up. Now, if you have an issue with petroleum jelly, what you can use is some shea butter or even some cocoa butter along with the oils that I use in this video. So go ahead, whip it up, use it up. And what I ask you to do before you leave is to remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to come back and watch more videos. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.